Good morning, YouTube. It's Friday fun day. It's pretty interesting. We had a tree right here. It broke and it fell in the lake. There's your culprit right there. So that's what's going on. We're gonna get this thing out of here. I got a 5/8 bull rope tied to it, okay? It's double braid rope there, 5/8 diameter. And we got it running up here. I set a snatch block up there in the tree. You know, big CMI block, you know. It's rated for a lot. But we pulled it up there and kind of base tied it in there with another 5/8 rope. Runs up there. So we're gonna tie the other end of it to the skid steer, and that's how we're gonna get this out of the lake. We'll bring you guys along. All right, YouTube, so we got it tied on the loader, and it's running up through that tree there. I don't know if you can see it up there, but we're gonna go ahead and have Gus inch along here. There it is, YouTube. That's pretty nasty on the end. Ugh, stirred up some of that black mud, you know. But we're gonna lower it down. And I think we're gonna cut it about, well, it's broke right there. So I think we'll just cut it right there at the break and then grab the rest of it and pull it up on land here, so. Yuck, YouTube, that's a muddy mess. Ugh. Ugh.
Smells fresh too.
Yeah, it smells like fish. Yeah, that was a simple job. We got to cut off the stump here where it broke off at, but then we got another big white oak tree. It's pretty dead. It's actually really dead, and it's over another pond that's over the hills and through the woods to grandmother's house we go. Well, we're up here at the other lake, and there's your culprit right there. He's kind of leaning back, you know, about where I'm standing at, kind of a little bit this way. Got a little shed and, you know, some gas down there. We don't want to be hitting that, but anyways, we're gonna set a rope up there, right there in that crotch, and then I think we're gonna choose a tree out here. We're gonna put an MA on it. And any of you guys that don't know what an MA is, that's a mechanical advantage, you know. And it's through a series of pulleys, so we'll definitely be bringing you guys along, show you what we're doing here. But I'm gonna get the line set. There's our culprit there. Right up there on the bank. You can see him up there. He's the only one that's big and dead, you know. But we've got the MA set up, which is a mechanical advantage, okay? And Gus has got the end of it right there. And we got the rope coming from the tree down to that tree right there. We got snatch block on it. Well, the CMI block, you know, the rigging block. And then it runs through there, back up here to this other CMI pulley up here. And you guys go ahead and give that a tug, see if we got some power on that tree or not. Oh yeah, okay.
Yeah, she's a moving.
Yeah. Well, they're getting it to move, YouTube, so I'm gonna go up there with the saw, get this all set up. Well, there you have it, YouTube. That tree's dead, and now it's gone. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Hey, and if you enjoyed this short video, check out our channel. Leave it a like. Consider subscribing. Nearly 80% of our views are not subscribers. So smash that button, subscribe, leave us a like. Hit that notification bell. You'll get notified for all of our upcoming content. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.